Picture this. When you first moved into your home, the trees were a perfect fit for the space. But now, after 2 decades, those same trees have grown to towering heights, casting shadows on your windows and blocking your cherished views. Don't worry. Tree Care LLC has the perfect solutions to bring back your scenic vistas, ensure your safety, and help you reclaim your outdoor spaces. Our team consists of licensed tree care professionals with a certified arborist on staff to assess your overgrown tree concerns. Seattle area property owners often turn to us for Vista Pruning services when their trees obstruct their views. We specialize in trimming, pruning, and removing overgrown trees, offering several benefits, including restoration of your beautiful vista, enhancement of curb appeal, which can boost property value, allowing more sunlight to reach your landscaping, and more. At Tree Care LLC, we have a certified arborist on staff who oversees every residential or commercial tree removal and view enhancement service we provide in the greater Seattle, Washington area. Ready to bring back your outdoor space and those stunning views? Contact us today at 206-486-7790